Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of our spring flower garden. So today I thought I'd give you a nice vlog style tour of our flower gardens because it is such a gorgeous evening out, and I just thought I'd show you guys what's blooming in my garden. We don't have much for vegetables yet. We were going to plant this May long weekend past. However, we were busy working on another project which isn't here, it's in the big city, and I'm going to share that with you guys soon. But for now, I thought I would just take a deep breath and walk around our garden and have you guys come along with me. So let's do that. I'm just walking up to our house right now. You can see in the background I have our camper out, and I'm gonna be updating that really soon too, so I can't wait to show you that. Okay, so I'm just in front of our house and I'm gonna flip this around. And I mean, this isn't perfectly styled or weeded or anything, but I thought I would show you guys what's in our garden right now. So this guy here is almost done blooming, but there's still a couple little blooms. This is our cherry tree, and this is called a Juliet Cherry, so it's hardy to zone 2, and we live really far up north here in Alberta, Canada. We have a zone 3 garden, so all this stuff is really good for colder climates. I also added this edging to our flower beds a couple weeks ago to kind of contain it a little, and then I extended our beds along this side of the house. I'm going to put a couple blueberry plants and a bleeding heart plant there in the shady area. So here we have some tulips. I do have some blooming down there, so I'll show you those. I have a whole lot of peonies coming up. Here are some of them. And my roses are starting to pop up. I did write a blog post all about roses and growing hardy bush roses, so I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can see some more peonies over here. This is a blueberry bush. It's I think it's a blue north. I'll double check that for you. Back here is a Limelight Hydrangea that's leafing out. It's really hard to find hydrangeas that bloom here in zone 3, and I found this one to be really good, and I'll show you later on in the season what those flowers look like. This guy here is a lilac, a Miss Kim. It's going to have some really pretty kind of fuchsia purpley flowers really soon. A couple more peonies. I can't wait for these guys to bloom in a couple weeks, or probably a month. These ones are going to be really huge. Roses. This here is my bird's nest spruce, which is going crazy in this warm weather. I also have some more tulips here. These are really beautiful. And more tulips here too. Cedar. There's a couple of my blueberries I'm going to be planting. Rose bushes, roses, more lilacs, more hydrangeas, more tulips. And here are a couple of rhubarb plants. Now, I already harvested a ton of rhubarb off of this guy. I made some rhubarb sauce. I gave my mom some rhubarb. I made some rhubarb crisps. So, I mean, we've had tons, and that's just what's left. And then around here is a beautiful Rudolph Crabapple, and I love how this one blooms. The blooms are getting a little old on this, so they do start out a nice dark pink, and now they're fading more to white, but still beautiful. So that is our front flower bed. And then I'm going to walk over to my studio and show you what's in front there, because I think you guys are really gonna like that. Okay, so this is the back of my studio, a little bit messy, and I have a project there that I'm gonna show you really soon. And then walking around the front. I have these gorgeous lilacs, and these are heritage lilacs that my great-grandpa gave my mom. And look at how they frame my studio door. They're just huge, and I have to prune around them, and I probably should have moved them originally, but I just can't. I don't want to move them. I think they're just so pretty. I wish you guys could smell these. And then you can see in the distance there, we rototilled our garden, and that's where we're going to be planting potatoes and onions and maybe some pumpkins. And then just beyond that over there is our little greenhouse. We're just working on that, and we're going to be planting our other vegetables that you saw earlier this spring we seeded. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little flower garden tour. My favorite are these lilacs right now, and then I'll show you again in a couple months when the peonies bloom and I have other things blooming in the garden and when we have our vegetables in. If you're taking part in my DIY and decor challenge, my outdoor themed DIY and decor challenge this Saturday, I can't wait to see your video, and I can't wait to share more on our gardens, more on our camper, more summery fun here on the channel. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. Bye!